Hello everyone, thank you for joining on my another live stream today. So it's the 26th of August 2020 and this is on Wednesday. So everyone, good to have you here. Make sure that the background music is not too loud. Okay, so yeah, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Kei. My name is Kei, and I am a Japanese full-time Forex trader based in Tokyo, Japan. And in this YouTube channel, I mainly talk about how not to lose over time for those who have been still struggling in trading. And that is the topic. That's the main topic for me, for myself, when I take trades. Not to lose is the key. And also, I have been using Ichimoku Kinko for the last 5 years as one of my main trade strategies, and I have been sharing extensive knowledge through the original books in this YouTube lives also. And as far as I know, I am the only Japanese trader who teaches Ichimoku Kinko from the original books in English, so hopefully you enjoy my Ichimoku lectures too. I run the closed Ichimoku community also, so if you're interested, you can click the join button on YouTube and you are always welcome to join the community. So today's Wednesday and I do these lives every day, and every day has different topics. So today on Wednesday I talk about Kei's trading strategy, and actually this is my original strategy, and this is exactly what I teach hands-on on this GTS class. But yeah, so KTS is actually the combination of Ichimoku and other indicators in multiple time frames. And today's topic is especially on stochastics. Stochastics is actually one of my favorite indicators. So I will exactly show you how I take trades with these stochastic gold cross or dead cross as one of the confirmations to take a trade. Actually, I have positions on AUDUSD right now, so I will show you my real trade and explain from my real trades on this stochastic gold cross. Alright, so before starting anything here, just a reminder, but all these knowledge is based on my own experience, so when you take trades, please do with your own risk, always. Okay. So AUDUSD currently is above the forecast lines. So this is bullish. The Kumo is moving up and Kijun Sen is moving up too. Price is consolidating now, but from Ichimoku viewpoint, this is uptrend. The price has been supported by this Kijun Sen a couple of times in the past. So not this one. Yeah, these points, and also right now Kijun Sen is supporting this price now on the daily chart AUDUSD. So I expect the price continue to go up this way, and that's why I'm buying this currency pair. So let me break it down to lower time frames. Okay. So yeah. Before moving further, hold on, let's see. Yep, alright, thank you for joining everyone. I can see the chat, your comments in the chat box, and thank you for joining. And Geraldine has become a moderator recently, so yep, thank you Geraldine for your support, and thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you. So let me break it down now. Alright. Good to see you. All right. Okay. So let's see. So right now AUDUSD is going up, breaking through these forecast lines upwards. So I will go down to lower time frame. And so once I capture uptrend on either daily or 4, then I break it down to either 1 hour or 30. To confirm the stable uptrend or not. So I look at the 1 hour chart and I can see that the Kumo is horizontal and Kijun Sen is horizontal too. So in my own strategy, it's called KTS, I look at the Kumo Senko span BA and Kijun-sen angles. And when these are horizontal, that means that this is horizontal. I mean, this is ranging basically. So it's ranging basically. So there's no direction in this 1 hour chart. But if you look at the 30-minute chart, you might see something different. So this is how I confirm the trend. So in 30, actually I took a buy here, but when I took a buy there, the Kijun-sen was moving up and the Kumo was moving up this way. I mean, Senko span B and the Senko span A was all moving up. And I confirmed the uptrend on this 30-minute chart. And then I moved down to lower time frames, which are either 5 or 50-minute chart, to look for the buying edge. So I am a trend follower, so I always make sure to follow the trend. When there's a range in 4-hour chart or daily chart, then most likely I won't take any trades. So once again, on the daily chart, it shows that this is uptrending because the Kumo's moving up, I mean Senko span B up, A up, and Kijun-sen moving up too. So in this setup, I expect the price continue to go up this way. So that's the primary condition, and this is the first thing that I look at every day whenever I look at the market. And in addition to that, if you are familiar with the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, then you know that you can see that the Tenkan-sen is still moving up, and Tenkan-sen being above the Kijun-sen still, and also Chikou span is above these candles too. It's very close. Chikou span is very close, but technically Chikou span is still above the candles. So this is still uptrend for me. And the price is breaking these forecast lines upwards now. So these are the uptrend confirmations on the daily chart. And I want to confirm it in mid time frames, which are 1 hour or 30. So I take 30 this time because in 30 Kumo's moving up and the Kijun-sen was moving up. Now it's flat, but still this is it was going up here when I took a buy. Then I go to lower time frames, which are 5 or 15, and I compare which one of these time frames has more confirmations to buy. So to look for confirmations, I use Ichimoku Kinko Hyo too, but in lower time frames, I look at other tools or indicators. So one of them I look at is the Stochastics gold curves, which is the topic for today. So let me delete the Ichimoku here. Oops, not this one. This is the sessions. Let me cancel the Ichimoku here, and here is the Stochastics below. And for the Stochastics, I use 30-10-10 setup. So here, hold on. Yeah, here you can see this is my setting: %K 30, %D 10, and smoothing 10. So 30-10-10 is my favorite setup on Stochastics, and this is based on my own experience. I was switching many setups like 5-3-3 or 10-7-7 or many other, but once I set 30-10-10, then I can capture a nice uptrend or nice trading edges based on my own strategy, and that's why I set this as 30-10-10, and it's been working great for me. And so this is the setting that I use. Okay. So now in 15, I saw that there was a gold cross on Stochastics here, and this was one of the confirmations to buy from here. Okay. And the other one was actually Fibonacci retracement. I took the Fibonacci retracement from here to the recent high at that time, and I was seeing that the price was supported between this 50% and 38.2% level. The price was supported once and twice, and after it went up, this was another confirmation to buy. And then I draw the candle trend line. The yellow line is a candle trend line. I draw it like this way, and once it breaks out, I took a buy here. So stochastics for me is one of the confirmations to take a buy. I don't take stochastic gold cross, dead cross by itself to take a buy. I look for multiple confirmations for the buy chance. But primary condition is bullish. As you saw it on a daily chart, 30-minute chart, it's bullish. So I only look for where to buy. Right? Where to buy is the question for me. So, and also, what I liked about this stochastic gold cross was that it happens below 50 level. So you can put the horizontal line on the 50 level like this. And whenever the stochastic gold cross happens below the 50, then this is more reliable. This becomes more reliable so that you can expect the price continue to go up from there. Alright. So that's basically how I confirm the uptrend and how I confirm the buy chance on one of these indicators as stochastics here. Alright, so let me come back to some of the comments now. Alright, good to see you everyone. Thank you for joining. From Kenya, Hong Kong, thank you for joining. Alright. Could I request you look at USD/JPY and Euro USD pairs? Yeah, I can look at it later. Yeah. Alright, but make sure that you understand this concept, right? Multiple confirmations in lower time frame to take a buy. In this case, yeah. Alright, yeah. Thank you for a reminder, Kayon. If you already liked today's live, please press a good button before you leave, so that it keeps me going. Yeah, Kayon, I'm profit GBP JPY 93 pips. Thank you, Mr. K. Wow, that's amazing. Stay gold. That's good. Yeah, and make sure that you become consistent that way. Every month, I see that there are big trends in on any currency pairs. I mean, on my watch list, I look at these pairs. But yeah, every month there must be a big trend, like at least 5 times, 3 to 5 times a month. There should be a big trend, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. All the rest of these small waves, I don't really care about it. So I'm buying it here right now. I'm buying it, but if it goes backwards, then I will just look for other trade chances. And that's why my winning rate is relatively lower. It's about between 30% to 40%, maybe 40% winning rate, but I run profit every month because my reward is bigger than the risk every time. Alright, Gabriel, K sometimes 5-minute chart has stochastic gold cross, but on 15 shows dead cross or close to it. Which one do you pick? So it depends on which way the price is going. Is it going up? If it's going up, then you have to look for gold cross. So you can take gold cross on 5-minute chart, but never take the dead cross on 15-minute chart. Always make sure to follow the major trend direction. Alright, Paul. Hi Kate, do you have a strategy on trading gold using Ichimoku and Stochastics? Yeah, on gold right now it's ranging, so and it's not really breaking these forecast lines upwards yet. So I don't really look at the gold right now, basically. Yeah. But you know, KTS, my strategy is applicable on any pairs, forex pairs, or any commodities. So and this is universal because basically this is a technical analysis. So yeah, you can apply in my strategy. So, alright, so let me read a couple of more comments now. Alright, Jerry, what other confirmations you look for during stochastic gold cross? So, I already showed it to you. Fibonacci bounce and counter trend line is another one. So, and I look at the candlestick patterns too. I look at the patterns, and whenever I see a like a pin bar, so this one was a pin bar, and there was another pin bar here. So I know that there is a strong support in this area, and that confirmed also myself to buy from there. So yeah, oops, hold on. Let me show you the list of what I look at to confirm the buying or selling edges. Actually, I have a PDF. I have a PDF for free for anybody that's available. So yeah, when you can click the link below, and you can get the PDF. And it looks like this. I think I will revise this one because I'm actually adding more confirmations, more things to it. Oops, I think the video is frozen. Let me just enable again. Yeah, I don't like this funny face. Sorry about the funny face. I think the video stopped now. I don't know why it stopped. Yeah, recently the system is not really smooth. Yeah, sorry about the funny face. I just disabled it, and maybe you can enjoy my radio show from now. Sorry about the issue. Yeah, I don't want to keep showing my funny face down below. Okay, so anyways, this is a PDF that you can download it for free from the link below, and on here I talk about all these that I talk about today. I look at the major trend direction, daily or 4, and I confirm it on either 1 hour or 30. Then I look for the trading edges. So for these trading edges, I use these tools and indicators. I use Ichimoku Kinko-hyo, and I use price action, I use lines, and I use Bollinger Bands, Stochastics, and Fibonacci Retracement and extension. So today's topic is about this one, gold cross and dead cross of stochastics, and there is a playlist on the YouTube of this KTS, and everything is saved on the archive. Every video in the past is saved on the archive, so you can pick up whatever videos you're interested, and you can enjoy the contents. But yeah, so stochastics in that sense is just one of my confirmations to take a buy or sell. So here is my trade. So okay, so this is there's no stochastics, so let me put the stochastics here. Alright, so here's the stochastics down below, and this is in 5. So here is a 50-minute chart, and I see the gold cross in stochastics, and this is exactly where I bought it. Right here I bought it, and I'm still holding it because this is still uptrending, so there's no reason to take profit. So once I confirm the next pushback, then I move these stop losses to break even, but it's not really happened yet, so this is where I have to be patient. When there is a stochastic dead cross, and if I confirm some other confirmations for the retracement or reversal, then I just close the position. Even before the price hits the stop loss, I just close it and look for other buy chance. Yeah, but this is not yet dead crossing, so I still keep holding this buy. Okay. do you combine, so Roy says, do you combine Bollinger Band with, oops, it went somewhere. Oh yeah. Do you combine Bollinger Bands with Stochastic Gold Cross? Yes, I do. In this case, I don't take Bollinger Bands because it's been expanding and there's no squeeze, there's no band walking, so I don't take the Bollinger Band in this chart. I can show it to you. The Bollinger Bands, yeah, see, Bollinger Bands expanding and there is no like squeeze, there is no like band walking. It's kind of going up and down. So yeah, there's no signals to use Bollinger Bands. Here was a squeeze, here was a nice squeeze, and this was a nice squeeze too. But right now it's kind of expanding. So yeah, that's why I didn't take the Bollinger Bands this time. All right, good to see you. Good to see you. On 5-minute chart, it's dead crossing right now. Okay. But my executed time frame was 15, so I only care about the 15-minute chart stochastics. I don't look at the 5. If I take 5 to take a trade, then I look at the 5-minute chart for the exit timing. But if I take the 15-minute chart, then I look for the 15-minute chart for exit timing also. Yeah, if you switch these time frames 5, 15, then you might get confused. So you have to stick to a single time frame once you set these confirmations. So yeah, the white lines are actually when I took a buy. So exactly here I took a buy. And this is my stop loss. These are my stop losses. All right. Okay, please. A quick look at Tesla. All right. If I have time, I will take a look at it later. But make sure that you understand the stochastic gold cross, dead cross, and when to use it. Prandhar, is stochastic cross on a 5-minute chart a good indicator, or should we wait for it on a 15-minute chart? I take both actually. I mean, I take either. If it's a gold cross or dead cross on stochastic 5, then, and if I find some more confirmations, then I take 5. Or if I find any confirmation in 15 along with the gold cross stochastics, then I take the 15. So it depends on the market, which time frame I pick. So what I'm looking for is actually which one is working more, how many confirmations I can find on these indicators is my question. On these, not this one. To bring up the PDF. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, how many confirmations we can find is the question on which time frame you pick to take a trade, either 5 or 15. Alright, so daily chart, say by chance, 15-minute chart gold cross and 5-minute chart dead cross, what to do? So yeah, once again, it depends on which time frame you have more confirmations than stochastic gold cross or dead cross. And you have to follow the major trend direction. So in this case, you only look for the gold cross on either 5 or 15. Never trade at the dead cross, because this is uptrending all the whole time. So the idea is that the the idea is that when there is uptrend, then whenever you buy, you should be running profit. So right now, this is to to zoomed out. All right, so here the price is going up this way, right? The price is going up this way, which is able to capture by the higher time frame Kumo and Kijun Sen. And once you find this uptrend, then whichever gold cross you take, you should be able to run profit. So gold cross here, you should keep running profit, and gold cross here too, you should run profit. Right, so because this is uptrend, and as long as it goes up, I just trail it. But once it goes backwards, then I just take some profit or just exit. That's it. But never trust these crosses when it's ranging, because these crosses tend to become a fake when it's ranging. I mean, when the Kumo and Kijun Sen are flat in higher time frame, then stochastics crosses can be a fake signals. So I don't take these fake signals. I only take the more trustable signals when it's uptrending or downtrending in the market. And I don't take these dead crosses. I don't take this one, because this is uptrending. All right. Okay, Nova. Hello. Okay, stochastic cross 30, 10, 10. You use in lower time frame only or big time frames too? I use it only on lower time frames, either 5 or 15. I use stochastic crosses because this indicator for me is to capture buying edges or selling edges. All right, Karim, could you please say that this stochastics 30, 10, and 10 shows the current situation or the future situation, and it shows the beginning of the end of the overbought oversold? It doesn't really actually capture the current situation. Yeah, this setting actually captures the current situation. And when the cross happens, when the gold cross happens below 50 or dead cross above 50, that will be most trustable. Yeah, when it's on the trend, right? When it's on the trend. All right. And for me, speaking of the overbought oversold, I don't think there is any like overbought oversold concept. Usually it's said that the above 80 is like overbought and below 20 is oversold, but when it's trending, the stochastic sticks above 80% level and the market keeps going up. So for example, if I just go backwards a little bit, you might see some example like that, like here, right? You see the stochastics below the 80%, below the 20% trend level, but the price continued to go down this way. So in that sense, I don't really see these levels as overbought oversold, because when there is a big trend, it sticks below 20 or above 80%. So yeah, and as long as there is a trend, as long as there is a decent trend on higher time frames, I just follow it. So yeah, I think for me that's another important thing, that I don't really focus on overbought and oversold on stochastics. Alright, Jerry, do you consider stochastics dead cross or for exit on lower time frame only after Kijun Sen flat on higher time frame? Oh, by the way, I have to say thank you for these questions. Yeah, thank you, Roy. Thank you, Karim. And thank you, Noba and Jerry and everybody else for these questions Sunday. Yeah. Because it actually, brings this live quality even higher. So that's appreciated. So yeah, Jerry says, do you consider stochastics dead cross for exit on lower time frame only after Kijun-sen flat on higher time frame? Yeah, exactly. When Kijun-sen flat and Kumo flat on higher time frame, then I look at the dead cross for exit timing. Yep. Sunday, how many pips stop loss? So this is, I think this was about like 15. Oh no, it's 8. 8 pips, 9 pips of stop loss here. Yeah. 89. It says points 89. So this is about like 9 pips of stop loss. Alright, Jeff says, how many, so what is your exit strategy? So when it dead cross on stochastics and when there is some other confirmation for the downtrend or reversal signal, then I exit on this one. Yeah, because right now I cannot set the stop loss to break even yet. So yeah, and if the price goes down, if they are the dead cross on stochastic in 15, then that will be one of the confirmations for closing the position. All right, Sikandar, Master K, how much returns in percentage should I be making every month to consider myself as a decent trader? I think it depends on your strategy, but if you follow my KTS strategy, what I do is I usually have a 10% to 20% return per month. Yeah. But if you're more aggressive, then you might have more percent return. Alright, Duke, 15 pips stop loss. Everybody are already on the boat now. Sure. Yep. Okay, so oh yeah, so there's one more question from Sunday. Daily time frame says uptrend candlestick is bearish. What do you do in that condition? What I mean by the candlestick is bearish, and what is the definition of uptrend to you is a question. Alright, hi AJ, thank you for joining. And Nova, you're welcome. And Jerry, you're welcome too. Alright, so let me come back to sorry, let's take a look at some other pairs now. Let's take a look at the USD/JPY and Euro USD now. So let me come back to the trading view and let's look at the USD/JPY. So I look at the daily chart always, and now I can see that this is a triangle range on the daily, and if I take the Ichimoku here, the price is in between Tenkan-sen and the Kumo here. So this is what I call the dead space. There is no direction in the market. When price is in between Kijun-sen and Kumo, there is no direction, so you better not to take trades. I mean, let me just delete the stochastics. And look at the 4 also. In 4 too, it's ranging, so there is no direction in the market, and I don't look for any trading edges. And Euro USD daily chart, it's uptrending, so this is good to look for by chance. And if I look at the 4, it's ranging, so I take the daily chart as uptrend confirmation, as Kumo is moving up, Senko span B flat, but Senko span A up, and Kijun-sen uppers too. Market is ranging currently, so if I see a uptrend in lower time frames, then I look for the buying edges. Until then, I just leave the chart. Yeah. And yeah, let me take a look at a couple of other pairs. GBP JPY is going up right now on the daily chart, but Kijun Sen flat, Kumo flat, so there's no direction currently. In 4, this is flat too. This is flat, so there is no direction either. The price might be resisted at this level, and it might go downwards this way, to this way. Or once it breaks out, then it might continue to go up this way. But right now, because Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat on the daily chart and 4, I'm not really sure which way the price is going. So I will just leave the chart until I see the decent trend confirmations. And also in gold, this is still ranging basically. This one looks like the descending triangle. So the support here was 1918 or 19 a little bit lower maybe 1912 level is a support, and there is a descending trend line too, and the price is not yet breaking the forecast lines upwards. Once it breaks it upwards, then I will look for the buy chance afterwards, but now the price is below the forecast lines, and also it's a descending triangle like this way, so there's a good chance that the price breaks the recent low downwards or the very low downwards this way, and in that case the price can continue to go down this way. Yeah, so right now I don't want to take trades on this one. Yeah. So once again, I am a trend follower, so I only look for trends by using Kumo and Kijun Sen, and whenever there's a chance, I just take that chance. Otherwise, I just close it in a good timing. Yeah, AUDJPY looks to be breaking the ascending triangle upwards now, so I think yeah, it's up, moving up. It might retest this trend line once again and move up this way, maybe. Or the breakout might happen sometime this week. We'll see. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today's analysis. I will be ending the live in about 5 or 10 minutes after I talk about something else maybe. Yeah, and sorry about the video today. There's a video issue. It's frozen. I think it's still frozen now. Let me pop it up again. Yeah, it's frozen. Yeah, so anyways. Yeah, so today was a radio show for the last half. But I hope you enjoyed today's live as well. Alright, so let's see. Let me yeah, I guess that's about it. So let me come back to this AUDUSD now. So looks like it's retracing backwards. So, and I don't exit yet because the price can go upwards. I mean, this can be in a wave still, and the price may continue to go up this way because in higher time frames this is uptrending, right? In higher time frames this is uptrending, so I expect the price, I mean from here, I expect the price go up like this way on this consecutive N waves. This is my expectation, and that's why I keep holding this buy. And my stop loss is here, because once the price breaks the stop downwards, then this is going to be potentially a reversal downwards, right? And then as a result, we see a double top and the price goes downwards. Yeah, so it's reasonable to exit on this stop loss at this current market situation. But if I see a dead cross on Stochastics that might be changing. I mean, that might be a reverse signal. And also, if I see a head and shoulders in this small time frame head and shoulders might appear here, and then that will be another confirmation to exit. So either way, I just keep holding it, and yeah, I will be looking for the exit timing if it goes backwards this way before I hit the stop loss. All right, so thank you for your participation as always. So today's topic was about the stochastics gold cross, dead cross, but let me show you what I will talk about tomorrow. So every day I talk about different topics, and if you come to my official website, there's a list of this program guide. So today I talked about the stochastics cross, and tomorrow is Ichimoku day. On Thursdays and Tuesdays it's Ichimoku days. So tomorrow I will talk about Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross in Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross is one of the most important crosses in Ichimoku. So I will once again show you a couple of real chart examples and present you which Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross is trustable and which one can most likely become fakes. Alright, so yeah, thank you for joining everyone. Oh, Maro-san's here, but this is almost ending the live. Yeah, but thank you for joining. And yeah, so I hope to see you tomorrow. So finally, let me just put this one up. So yep, thank you for joining everyone. And yeah, stay healthy, stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.